How to write feedback emails. Feedback emails are when you send an email to your subscribers asking for feedback about something specific, and requesting that they actually reply to the email and give you their answers. It's something most people won't ever do, but it's probably one of the most valuable emails you can send to your list. A lot of marketers just want their email marketing to be completely automated. They just want to upload emails into their autoresponder and have them go out automatically, and they don't bother to interact with their subscribers much on a personal level. But when you send feedback emails, you are doing a few important things all at the same time. First, you're finding out what your list wants to learn more about, and when you know that it's easy for you to provide it to them. You also show them that you're a real person who wants and values their feedback. At the same time, if you personally answer their email, that will set you apart from the rest of the marketers online who they don't have a personal connection with. So you're building a closer relationship with your subscribers when you use feedback emails. It creates an incredible sense of personalization that most marketers don't ever bother with. After you send your subscribers a feedback email, some of them will reply. What you should do is actually read through the emails. Make note of some of the more common questions. Generally, most of the emails will have similar questions. Just list those common questions out in a text document like Notepad. Once you've compiled a list of the common questions, answer them within Notepad. Then reply back to every email personally. The questions that are common, you can just copy and paste your answer within the individual email, but also make sure you answer the rest of their questions as well. Now, if you're thinking that answering each of the emails personally is a waste of time, think again. What you're doing is building a deeper relationship with your subscribers. They are real people, and if they actually reply to your email, it means they are the type of person who does what you tell them to do. They are likely going to be the same people who download your free gifts, who open up and read all of your content emails, and they are also most likely the same people who will buy from you again and again. So the more you develop the relationship with these people, the more likely they are going to respond to the rest of your emails, including the emails where you are promoting a product. Remember, all of your emails should be trying to build trust or build credibility. These feedback emails are perfect for you to build trust with subscribers who perhaps didn't completely trust you before, not enough to buy from you anyway, and by you replying to and interacting with them personally, you finally were able to get them to trust you enough to buy from you. The more trust and the more credibility you build with your list, the more likely they are going to end up buying from you. So use feedback emails and don't be afraid to respond personally to those emails.